Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how to prepare mutton nalli fry. In my previous video, I've shown you how to prepare this recipe. I'll post that link also in the description box below this video. But today I'm going to show you how we purchase this from the butcher and then separate the mutton bones and prepare this recipe. Here I've washed and reserved the mutton. We'll need ginger and garlic paste. I've posted my mother's ginger and garlic paste recipe. Please do follow the basics of Indian cooking recipe link and follow the ginger garlic paste as per our directions. Because for this recipe we have used fennel and pepper in the ginger and garlic paste. Here the meat is washed thoroughly drained. I've added it to a pressure cooker along with the turmeric powder, salt and ginger and garlic paste. We'll also add 2 green chilies and water. We need to stir all of this, then cover the pressure cooker, place a whistle and allow the meat to cook for at least 4 to 5 whistles until it is nice and tender. Here we are using groundwater. So groundwater is very hard in our area. It takes a lot of time to cook vegetables and meat in my house. So it depends from house to house. The pressure cooker varies and the water varies. So depending on that, cook the meat until it's tender and remove from the flame. Then we need to separate the bones, that is the marrow bones, and we need to reserve the marrow bones for the fry recipe. Here I have cooked the meat till it's tender and I've separated the marrow bones and reserved it. We can also use other bones which is along with the meat for this recipe. For the masala, I have sliced and reserved onion. We need to finely chop an onion and finely chopped tomato and chilies. We need chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and pepper powder. We'll also require star anise, cardamom, stone flour, cinnamon sticks, fennel seeds, cumin, ginger and garlic paste and some peppercorns. Here I've heated a wok. To the wok I've added oil. Once the oil has heated well, I've added sliced onions, finely chopped tomatoes, half of the finely chopped tomatoes and half of the green chilies. We'll also add cinnamon, peppercorns, cumin, fennel, half the amount of cardamom, star anise, stone flour, just 2 cloves. We need to fry all the ingredients till the onion softens a bit and we will transfer this masala to a mixer jar. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. If you click the icon above this video, it will direct you to my blog. So on my blog, I have posted a detailed recipe along with the prep steps. Once the onion and tomato has softened and it's fried well, I have transferred it to a mixer jar and we will allow the fried tomato and masala to cool down a bit. So in the same wok, I've added oil. I'll allow the oil to reach smoking point. At this point, we'll add finely chopped onion, tomato, chilies. It may seem I'm using a lot of chilies in this recipe, but the green chilies unfortunately was not spicy whatsoever. So I had to use that many chilies for me to get at least that medium spice level. Sometimes here in India we get chilies which is not spicy at all. Here the masalas are cooled completely, which I transferred to a mixer jar. To that I'll be adding coriander powder, chili powder and turmeric powder. We'll add tiny amount of water and grind this into a smooth paste. So once this is ground, just reserve it. Now to the onion and tomato which is frying already, add the nalli bones or the marrow bones to that and we will fry this in that masala along with the ground masala. We'll transfer that ground masala. We'll add some water and transfer it to the nalli. We just need to stir all of this. Place it on high flame. At this point your nalli does not have to cook because it's already tender. It's cooked well. You just need to adjust the salt, place it on high flame and allow this to fry, cook and fry. All of that moisture should completely evaporate and that thick masala gravy should form, which you can mix and eat with rice. Here you can see all of that water moisture has completely evaporated. This has been cooking for almost 15 minutes. At this point I've added curry leaves, I've added pepper powder and finely chopped coriander leaves. We'll give this a stir and fry it further. We'll also add lime juice, Stir it once and serve the nalli as hot as possible for biryani, pulaus. This pairs very well with South Indian meals. Do try this recipe, friends. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video, along with all the ingredients used in this recipe. I've served my nalli fry. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.